Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring hardware and account readiness. Power the dash cam, open its companion app, and sign in with the vendor account you created. This links device ID to the cloud. Next, connect to your chosen network. Use 4G/5G or a mobile hotspot for continuous upload. Once done, check firmware and update if needed. Updates often enable cloud DVR features and fix connectivity. Make sure device time and time zone match your account to avoid recording mismatches. Now configure the streaming and upload behavior. In the app, assign the dash cam to a persistent access point or enable its built-in tethering so reconnections are minimized. Then choose upload parameters. Lower resolution or event-only upload saves bandwidth, while continuous high-res consumes data quickly. Pick what matches your plan. Enable end-to-end encryption and confirm authentication tokens are stored. Once these are set, force a manual upload test to verify cloud reception and to measure real-world data usage. Finish by conducting a complete verification. Trigger an event, verify local recording, then confirm the clip appears in cloud playback. Schedule automatic sync intervals and enable alerts for storage or upload failures so you're notified early. Make sure retention settings match your subscription to avoid unexpected deletions. If something goes wrong, restart the dash cam and modem, switch to an alternate network, and collect device logs for the vendor. Often a network restart or firmware rollback resolves intermittent upload errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.